Machine plasma here is our current regulation. Solid current regulation. And here's the self-lock button. Self-locking, non-self-locking. And here's our gas test. Long press and don't lose. We'll get angry. Then pull out the knob without long pressing it loose. Pull off the knob. Regulate our gas pressure. Maintain between 0.5 to 0.6. Press back after adjustment. So here's our current output. Gas and electricity output port. Gas and electricity output port. Backwater influx. According to the size of its joints. 3 connectors. 3 different sizes. Just pick it up by size. So here's our starting arc. Here's our handgun switch. Here is our ground clip iron. Then directly to our cutting steel plate. This is our water cooling tank. Then there is backwater. The blue is the cooling water coming out of the effluent. The red one is the backwater, and the backwater is the high temperature water. Then connected to our machine. The Prime Minister's side is flooded with cooling water. The backwater is high temperature water. And here is our own filter element. Oil filter water, filter residue. And this is going to pick us up. Intake to intake. Here are our signal controls. This is the back pressure output. Here is the signal control. Control plasma start-stop switch. Then here is our pickup 380 exchange main store. Here is the fuse. Here is our main switch.